say I'm gonna teach you basics about some languages, little tips and tricks and many more. So in today's video, we are gonna learn basics about Korean language. That level I choose to teach you guys Korean as a first language, cause like many of you, and I also have a great interest in Korean language, Korean culture, Korean drama, Korean pop. Yeah, don't forget Korean food. So that's why I thought of starting a YouTube channel in the first place. It's just to help you guys out, as I know how hard it is to find a right place, right channel for learning a new language. So we are gonna learn Korean from very basic. Korean is a little similar to Hindi. Yeah, you heard it right. Korean is a little similar to Hindi. Even the structure of making sentences is the same as Hindi. And if you are an Indian, it will be really helpful for you. As we have alphabets in English language, same as we have Hangul in Korean language. Basically, Hangul is known as Korean alphabet. Hanguls are divided in 4 groups: consonants, double consonants, vowels, and vowels combination. In my upcoming video, you will get to know about consonant, every single information about consonant, like how many consonants we have, how can we pronounce, how can we write it, how can we understand every single information. But before that, let me know in which language you want my video. If you want my video in Hindi language, comment below Hindi, and if you want my video in English language, comment below Hindi. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and yeah, of course, like this video if it's helpful for you. So you subscribed my channel. So here is the bonus point for you all. Share little information about Korean scholarship. Like many of you wanted to go South Korea and wanted to meet your idol. So I will give you little information about South Korean scholarships, and yeah, I also will share everything about South Korea. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel, don't forget to press bell icon, like this video, and until that,